If you've ever tried copying a table from a PDF into Excel, you know it usually ends up a mess. Random formatting, missing data, and hours spent fixing everything. Today, I'm going to show you two straightforward ways to export neat, usable tables directly from Adobe Acrobat into Excel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to take data from just about any PDF and have it organized perfectly in an Excel workbook, ready for analysis, reporting, or anything else you need. Let's start with the first method, using Adobe Acrobat's Export PDF tool. This is a fantastic option when your PDF is mostly tables, or if you want to export everything, not just a single chart. So first up, open your PDF using Acrobat. Make sure you're using the full version of Acrobat, not just the free reader, because the export capabilities are part of the paid features. Once your document is open, look over on the right-hand side. You'll see a bunch of panels, and one of them should say Export PDF. Go ahead and click on that. This tool is powerful because it takes your whole PDF, whether it's a report, a statement, or a datasheet, and lets you convert it to different formats. For our case, you'll want to choose Spreadsheet as your export type. Under that, specifically pick Microsoft Excel Workbook. This ensures the export is compatible with all versions of Excel and that the tables are formatted for easy spreadsheet use. Now, click the Export button. Acrobat will process your PDF for a few moments. If it's a big file, give it a minute to work through all the pages. When it's done, you'll get a dialog box asking where you want to save your new Excel file. Pick a location you'll remember, give the file a descriptive name, and hit Save. That's it. Acrobat automatically takes care of converting the PDF structure into Excel-friendly formatting. When you open the exported file, you should see all your tables cleanly separated into Excel cells, ready to work with. If the data looks a little off, don't panic. Sometimes you might need to adjust some columns or clean up minor formatting, but the bulk of the work is done for you. Now, if you only need one specific table from your PDF, maybe you don't want the entire document exported, just that one chart or summary, this next method is for you. Start by opening your PDF in Acrobat again. Here's where you'll use the Selection tool, which lets you manually highlight just the data you want. Look in your toolbar for an icon that looks like an arrow or the word Selection and click to activate it. Drag your cursor over the table you want to export. Take your time lining up the edges. The more precise your selection, the cleaner your results will be. Once it's highlighted, right-click within the selected area. A context menu will pop up, and you'll want to choose Export Selection as this is a super handy feature that many folks overlook, but it's perfect for isolating just one table from a packed document. In the Save dialog that appears, pick where you want to store your new file. Enter a name that'll help you find it later. It's easy to forget which table is which if you're working with multiple exports. Then, crucially, from the Save as Type drop-down menu, select Excel Workbook .xlsx. This tells Acrobat to format the export specifically for Excel, preserving columns and rows. Finally, click Save. The exported file should open up in Excel with only the data you selected. No extra text, no unrelated charts. This is ideal for grabbing quick bits of information without wading through the whole PDF. And that's it. Whether you're exporting an entire document's worth of tables or just a single chart, Adobe Acrobat gives you the tools to do it quickly and accurately. If you run into any hiccups like weird formatting or missing values, just double-check your selections or try adjusting export settings. In most cases, you'll get a great result. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment if you have questions or if there's another PDF trick you'd like to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. Thanks for watching.